Welcome to Bullseye Education. Today we will solve another problem on Venn diagram. In this example, we will explore the preferences of a group of people regarding their favorite hobbies. In a survey of 100 people, 60 people said they enjoy reading books. 55 people said they enjoy gardening. 35 people enjoy both reading books and gardening. The question we need to answer is, how many people enjoy reading books, gardening, or both? Here, we have a Venn diagram with two overlapping circles representing 60 people who enjoy reading books, 55 people who enjoy gardening. The total number of people who enjoy reading books is 60. The total number of people who enjoy gardening is 55. The overlap between the two circles, representing people who enjoy both activities, is 35. Now, we can see the breakdown clearly in the Venn diagram. 60 minus 35 is equal to 25 people only enjoy reading. 55 minus 35 is equal to 20 people only enjoy gardening. 35 people enjoy both activities. To find the total number of people who like reading or gardening or both, we need to sum the individual groups and subtract those who were counted twice. Total number of people who like reading or gardening or both equals 60, reading, plus 55, gardening, 35, both equals 80. Therefore, 80 people enjoy reading books, gardening, or both. Additionally, 20 people do not enjoy either of these hobbies, which can be derived from the total survey group of 100 people.